How to manually install or reinstall an OS using Virtualizor for customized installation. The Virtualizor Manual Reinstall option allows you to modify or create a custom partition. Click the Manage icon of the VPS on which you wish to install the operating system. Go to the Settings tab and then click the VPS configuration and select the boot order: CD drive, hard disk. Now click to open the drop-down list of Select ISO, then select your ISO. You can leave other options as they are. Now click the Submit button. Now we need to restart the VPS. The VPS has been restarted. Now click the VNC icon without wasting time. Click to select HTML5 VNC Client option. Select Install CentOS, Linux 8, or any other OS you wish to select, and then press the Enter button to start the installation process. Select a language and then Continue. We have to create the partition, set root password, and create a user. Let's do it one by one. There are triangle icons where we haven't selected anything. For partition, go to Installation Destination and select the disk you'd like to install. You may and may not have a checked disk if you have more than one disk. Click to select a proper disk and then click the Done button. It says there is not enough available free space on disk. The operating system will remove all the data you have on the disk, so either make a backup or go ahead only if you don't need it anymore. Go and click to reclaim space. Click the Delete All button as I don't need the data anymore. Then click the Reclaim Space button. Notice that the caution icon has disappeared. Now set the root password. First, enter a password and then re-enter it in the Confirm input box. The password is weak, so I need to click the Done button twice to confirm it. Notice that the network is not connected. Let's connect the network and set a host name. Click to switch on and connect the network. Now enter a host name, then click to apply. Click the Done button. For other remaining options, I will leave the default settings. You can visit them and make your choices. Everything looks good now. Let's click to begin the installation. We have installed CentOS 8. It now asks to reboot the system. Click the Reboot System button. Let's go back to the VPS Control Panel's Setting tab and then click the VPS configuration and set the boot order to hard disk, CD drive. Click the Submit button. Now we need to restart the VPS. Go back to the VNC area and finish configuration. License agreement is pending. Let's complete it. Accept the license agreement and click the Done button. Click the Finish Configuration button. That's it. You can now start using CentOS. Thank you for watching.